नमस्ते बच्चों, आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेंडियो किड्स। अगर आपको गाने और कहानियाँ पसंद हैं तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ।
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. A, B, C, D, sing with me. Let's learn letters happily. Clap your hands and follow me. It's time for the ABC. A, E, B, C, D, E, F, G. Letters dancing playfully. A, B, D, E, F, G. Letters dancing playfully. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing the alphabet again. O, P, Q, and R, S, T. Learning letters easily. U, V, W, X, and Y. Z says hello up in the sky. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Clap your hands and sing so free. Learn your letters. A to Z. A is for apple, shiny red. B is for ball, we bounce ahead. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for drum, we beat all day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish who swims with all. G is for goat, happy as can be. Come and sing the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing it loud and joyfully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing it loud and joyfully. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Letters jumping merrily. Q for queen in her golden crown. R for rabbit hopping around. S for sun that shines so bright. T for train that goes all night. U for umbrella on rainy days. V for violin that softly plays. W for whale in the deep blue sea. X for sun, oh melody. Y for yarn so soft and neat. Z for zipper with striped up feet. Now we all know our ABC. Let's all sing from A to Z. Learning letters is so fun. Come on, kids, everyone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing again so joyfully. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We love the alphabet family. A to Z, sing with me. Happy little ABC. Let's all clap and dance with glee. Goodbye from the ABC.
वाह बच्चों, क्या मज़ा आया ना। अगर आपको ये राइम पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और ट्रेंडियो किड्स को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई कहानी।